All right, part 4 a little while later. It's still Sunday, April 23rd, 2023. This is coming along here. I've got the background done around the kind of heading text up there using the KAISERR-PERMINentay, Washington's preferred anti-optometry and anti-ophthalmology graphic text design style, which they use in their website and all their hard copy material. Light value, extremely light value, low contrast type. An example of something they mailed me. This is like unbelievably minuscule type. This is mailed to Aging Well for Medicare age members. This is actually larger. Wellness recommendations to men 65 or older they mailed me. There's only one word in bold type, which is what optometrists and ophthalmologists all recommend. All right, to be continued. Pudgies are enjoying this album I bought in Columbia, Missouri on my last teaching trip there in 2006. Shalom you all. The People's Republic of America. Vibrant album. All right, okay, there you have it for now. To be continued.